Hey, I'm Dr. Marshana, and I'm coming to you today with some quick reminders around cardiovascular health. And today we're specifically talking about hypertension, also known as high blood pressure. One of the things that I really want you all to remember, and I know you may have heard it time and time again, and that is simply the signs and symptoms of elevated blood pressure. When you're starting to feel dizzy, if you feel any amount of dizziness, mental confusion, that could be a sign that your blood pressure is elevated. Another one might simply be shortness of breath or chest pain. Those are signs that your body is trying to give you to let you know that something is not right. Any one of these signs, dizziness is a big one. That a lot of times is a sign, and it, by the way, can also be a sign if your blood pressure is running too low. But a lot of times what we'll notice is that blood pressure can be elevated, or you may have heard a term called orthostatic hypotension. And sometimes, especially in older adults, we may see those kinds of things, and that's when you may be lying down or sitting down and you stand quickly and then the blood pressure drops. Those are some things that you need to be cautious of, because a fall can be very dangerous for anyone, especially in aging adults. One of the things that I specifically want to mention is loss of consciousness. This is something that recently was a situation that I was dealing with one of my family members, and this is why I really wanted to bring these reminders to all of you. Loss of consciousness, dizziness, all of that can come from elevated blood pressure. And if you have dizziness that moves to loss of consciousness, you could have a serious fall that could do some serious injuries. I encourage people to have at-home blood pressure monitoring devices, especially if you're on any blood pressure medications. You might say, well, Dr. Marshana, my physician never told me that I needed to have an at-home monitoring device. They do it when I go in the office and check for my annual checkups. I recommend that you have one at home. When you start to feel a little different or a little off, maybe not just feeling like yourself, I think that's a good time for you to monitor and do a blood pressure reading there at home and keep track of what's going on in your body. This is my short little reminder to you to listen to your body so that we can all stay healthy and happy. Have a good one.